हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल पप्पू करियर अ कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड्स। तो फ्रेंड, इससे पहले मैंने पार्ट 3 वीडियो बनाया था। अगर आपने उसको नहीं चेकआउट किया है तो डू चेकआउट दिस वीडियो। आपको उसका लिंक मेरे वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन पे या फिर मेरे वीडियो के आई बटन पे मिल जाएगा। तो उसी का ये फोर्थ पार्ट है। तो इसमें बताने वाला हूँ मैं आपको टोटल 3 कंपनीज़ के बारे में। इससे पहले मैंने आपको 3 कंपनीज़ के बारे में बताया था जो हायरिंग कर रही थी, ठीक है। ब्रॉडब्रिज, आईपैक्स और स्टेनो, जो मैंने इसके पहले वीडियो में बताया था, ठीक है। एक बार उसे जरूर चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा। इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले नेटवर्क 18 और आपका मॉमसेम्बी और पुब्लिसिस सेपियंट की तरफ से, ठीक है। इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले आप लोगों ने ये वीडियो जरूर चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा, ताकि अपना प्रोफाइल को पहले अपडेट कर लीजिएगा। क्योंकि जो आपका मेल आया था उसमें भी इन्होंने पहले से मेंशन कर रखा था कि पहले अपने प्रोफाइल को आपको अपडेट करना है, ठीक है। अपडेट करने के बाद ही आप कंपनी में जो आपका रिक्वायरमेंट मैच करेगा उसके हिसाब से आपको अप्लाई करना है और आपका प्रोफाइल को पब्लिक करना है। तो इस वीडियो में मैंने सारा कुछ आपको डिटेल्स जो है स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैंने आपको गाइड किया है। तो इस वीडियो को जरूर एक बार चेकआउट जरूर कीजिएगा इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले। तो बात कर लेते हैं अभी मैं बात करता हूँ इसके बारे में, सिंथेटिक फाइनेंस के बारे में। तो इसका पहले देख लेते हैं जॉब डिटेल्स, ठीक है। तो यहाँ देख लेते हैं हायरिंग करिए डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर रोल के लिए। तो सैलरी इसका नॉट क्लोज्ड है, नंबर ऑफ ओपनिंग बहुत लेस है, बट इन फ्यूचर दे विल हायर मोर पीपल, सो वेट टिल दैट, ओके। तो यहाँ पर एक पीपल को हायरिंग कर रही है। तो यहाँ पर बी एस सी बी टेक एम टेक के लोग हायर कर रही है। तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने जो पास आउट ग्रेजुएट है उन्होंने मेंशन नहीं कर रखा है, तो आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो। फुल लैब की अपॉर्चुनिटी है, मतलब कि फाइनल यहाँ पर लोग एलिजिबल है, ठीक है। तो एक बार आपको देख लीजिएगा, ये सारा रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स है। अगर आपका स्किल्स मैच करेगा तभी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो। जैसे देखेंगे तो मेरा दिखा रहा है यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर दिस दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट। हो सकता है कि मेरा जो रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स है मैंने ये सब मेंशन नहीं करा, क्योंकि मुझे इस सब का नॉलेज नहीं होगा, ठीक है। तो अगर आपको अप्लाई करना है फॉर ईस्ट कंपनी, first of all do update your profile according to the company requirement. If your requirement matches with the company, then you will be eligible for apply to any company which is there on the TCS next step, TCS Ion website, okay. First of all you should match the criteria of the company criteria, okay. Then after you can apply for this, otherwise you will get a notice like you are not eligible for this job, okay. Moving to the next part, like here you can see that network 18 media, he is hiring for the like a 1 2 3 4 5 different roles for the hiring, okay. I will only show the one part, otherwise other profile you can also check in that website, okay. And in future they will add more and more jobs there. So be patient and keep believing on TCS Ion that they will definitely add more and more companies in their job portal, okay. So wait for that, okay. देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे दिस इज हायरिंग फॉर द रोल ऑफ जावा डेवलपर, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। तो देर इज अ ओपनिंग फॉर द वन, ओके। हेयर इज द 30 मोर रिक्वायर्ड स्किल्स आर देयर। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should know the things which are they required, like speaking, system analysis, programming, judgment, decision making, and all are their requirement. If your skill matches with this like 50% or 60%, then only you can apply for this job role, okay. Who can apply for it? There you can see that BTech MTech student can apply for these jobs, okay. So here you can see like same as you can here see, and you can also here see recommended jobs, okay. So here is a one job role, and one more is there like yeah, just click job details. Before apply, just go through the company requirement, okay. After that you can apply. Here you can here network 18 media and investment limited hiring for the role of ASP Viz rate developer software engineer. Here you can see the required skill is 30 more, so you can understand how the company will hire and how they judge peoples for their required skills, okay. They hire only for the BTech student and education in MSc, MCA, BCA, MTech, BTech, BE. All students can apply for this job, okay. Moving to the next part is there like network 18, and right now this is hiring for the PHP developer for the location of Mumbai and Noida, and the opening is only one, okay. But believe they will hiring more people because they only vacancy for the one, that's why they written over there one. But in future if they have more vacancy, then definitely they will update you. So do check out this website daily to daily and bookmark this page on your Chrome browser, so that you can daily visit, because their requirement is very less. Here you can see also, okay. So here you can see like all the details, and after that you can apply, okay. And moving to the next here is you can see that the job role is MCR role play out QC, and also you can see that opening is only one for the Mumbai one and the Noida one. Okay, you can see the required skill set is there are different type of things you can also go through. Okay, before applying, here you apply only BCom students, BCom, BBM, BMM, MBA student can apply. Okay, so before apply, must read their job details. Okay, not do like apply job, apply job, apply job. No, you can't do this. Okay, otherwise your application got rejected in the first phase also. Okay, so right now, like, is it a publicist supplicant? So here you can see that the company hiring for the role of junior associate technology. Here you can see 11 days ago they published these jobs, and their requirement is very high, like Bangalore 50, Gurgaon 50, and Noida is also 20. Benefits, here you can see salary they're not mentioned, and here you can see there 39 required skill sets. So try to add this, like if you know then only add. It's not like that this company required 39 skills, then you just go through your go to the profile and update all the. No, update once you already know the things. Okay, otherwise your profile will go rejected in interview or anything else. Okay, you can see that eligibility criteria is 2020 graduates, 6.5 CGPA and above, BE BTech stream computer science. Here you can see all our branches are eligible. Our INR is 4 LPA, so you can think so. Okay, retrial is INR of 25. I don't know what this, because here you can see all the details. Okay, before applying, for apply right now, just click apply now, and here you can see 3 locations are there: Bengaluru, Gurgaon, Noida. Here you can see only one location, yeah, or you can see one or more location. So it will show that how you can like eligible for how you're interested for this job role. Okay, and just click save. After that your profile will go accepted. Before that, many people say, message me on Instagram and Telegram, sir, I'm not able to apply because they are asking for the like BA and BTech both are percent. How this can be possible? Think again. Okay, because you are doing BTech, how can you put the BE percentage? Okay, right now they just clear that part. Okay, because they also know that how BTech student can do BE for the same time. Okay, so here is no more here as you can see is Semantic is one more company is there. I can see like I think this company just now added to their portal. They hiring for the role of like Android developer. Yeah, salary is 1.823 annually. So this is a big what I can say, but this required experience. Okay, 2 to 3 years of. I think that's why I didn't mention in my video thumbnail that this company you can apply, because this is required experience. Okay, so you can also leave this. If you have experience, then go through this. Okay, otherwise you can leave this company, because this required experience. Because freshers, how can they can say have experience like if you pass it out in 2020 and 2021. Okay, who can apply like BCA, BSc and BTech student can also apply for this job. Simple, click apply now, upload resume or upload a new resume, then simply click save, and your application got submitted. After you're reviewing your application, then company will mail you for the further round or further discussion or further interview. This will only depend, it can also be depends only on the company requirement, not us, not you. Okay, so be do visit this website, this link daily to daily, because right now the TCS Ion team will adding their companies more and more, so that students who are given who are all are given the exam, they can also benefits their scorecard. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you don't like this video, and share with your friends, and do watch this video if you are applying for the job role. Okay, and we will meet on the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.